Want to achieve beautiful defined brows like these? Then let me show you how. First off, you start off with clean brows, and then I use Browhouse Beauty Brow Sculpt Pomade, and I use the mini brush that's included and just brush your brow hairs up. After that, I use their curved precision scissors to clean up any brow hairs. Then use the waterproof brow pencil in the shade Ebony to fill in any sparse areas in the brow. I like to fill in the brows starting at the tail, then work my way to the arch. From there, I just create light strokes and keep working my way to the front of the brows. Once I'm at the front of the brows, I just draw a line underneath the bottom of the front and brush everything up. And from there, you have beautiful defined brows. All three of these products are available in Browhouse Beauty's Brow Grooming Kit.